Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are revising your syllabus according to your revision test. So revision test 3.5, paper 5 of revision test 3 will be conducted very soon. So we are going to revise the syllabus for the same, and we have started from last video. In last video we discussed report writing. In this video we are going to discuss chapter 5 from Flamingo, which will be there in your revision test. Okay, so let us discuss. First of all, we are going to discuss short answer type questions from this chapter. Okay, so questions which have been asked in various CBSE examination, I am going to write here. Why did, question number 1, short answer type questions. Okay, 2 marks each. Okay, question number 1. Why did Rajkumar Shukla why did Rajkumar Shukla sorry why did Rajkumar Shukla go to meet Gandhi? Go to meet Gandhi. Okay, why did Rajkumar Shukla go to meet Gandhi? So as this question has been asked in CBSE examination 2008, 2009. Okay, so as we have read in the chapter, so we all know. So Rajkumar Shukla, as we know that in Champaran there was sharecropping system in which the farmers were compelled by British landlord to grow indigo. Okay, and later when Germany discovered synthetic indigo, then in order to make farmers free from it, they started asking for 25% compensation. All we have read in the story. Okay, so why so because of in order to get rid from these sharecropping system, as the British landlord were asking 25% compensation from those farmers. So that is why Rajkumar Shukla he was a farmer in Champaran. He visited Gandhi for help. Okay, so how you would be writing the answer to this question? So Rajkumar Shukla apprised Gandhi in Lucknow convention about the atrocities done to the poor peasants in Champaran by the English indigo planters. He asked Gandhi to accompany, but Gandhi had so many other engagements for the other parts of India being a resolute person, Shukla followed Gandhi everywhere. Then Gandhi asked him to see him in Calcutta. Months passed, Shukla was sitting on his haunches. Months passed, but Shukla kept on waiting for Gandhiji. The Gandhi asked him to see him in Calcutta. So months passed, Shukla was sitting on his haunches at the appointed spot in Calcutta till he was free. So his determination impressed Gandhi very much. Consequently, both boarded a train to Patna in Bihar. So finally, Gandhi got impressed by Rajkumar Shukla as he did not go empty-handed. He was waiting Gandhi ji in Calcutta, where Gandhi ji had told him to wait. Okay, so both left for Patna. So what was the reason? The reason was that the peasants of Champaran were the victim of sharecropping agreement. So that is why in that matter Rajkumar Shukla went to meet Gandhi to help the farmers. Okay. So now let me write down the next question, which has been asked in another year in CBSE examination. Next question, which has been asked in CBSE examination 2010. How was Gandhi able to influence? How was Gandhi able to influence? How was Gandhi able to influence the lawyers of Champaran? Influence the lawyers, sorry, let me correct the spelling. Lawyers of Champaran. Okay. How was Gandhi able to influence the lawyers of Champaran? It has been asked in CBSE examination 2010. Okay. So as we have seen in the story, during his stay at Muzaffarpur, the lawyers briefed Gandhi about the cases of poor peasants. They told about their cases and the size. They told, you can see it in your textbook. So during his stay at Muzaffarpur, the lawyers briefed Gandhi about the cases of poor peasants. They told about their cases and the size of fee. So Gandhi chided them for collecting big fees from the sharecroppers. He advised them to stop going to the law court. He asked him not to go to the law courts. He pointed out that the peasants were poor and fear-stricken, so it was urgent to make them free from fear. So for Gandhi ji, it was not important to fight for their rights in the courts. They wanted the lawyers to make the peasants free from fear, as they were the victim of the fear. The peasants were the victims of fear. So that is why he also scolded the lawyers for imposing such a big fee on poor farmer. Okay, so let me rub it and write down the next question. Next question, which has been asked in CBSE examination 2012. How did the peasants react on how did the peasants react on hearing that Gandhi was in trouble with the authorities? That Gandhi was in trouble with authorities. How did the peasants react on hearing that Gandhi was in trouble with authorities? Okay, it has been asked in CBSE examination 2012. So as we have seen in the lesson, so when the Champaran peasants heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them was in trouble with the authorities, by next morning the town of Motihari was black with the peasants. They demonstrated around the courthouse. The government, baffled, and the official felt powerless without a cooperation of Gandhi. Gandhi helped them to regulate the crowd. Gandhi gave the concrete proof about the might of the British. Okay, so it's all about this answer which we have seen in the text. Now let me rub it and write down the next question. Now dear students, we are just discussing all the answers orally. We have already gone through the lesson. So you must rewrite all the answers in your own words. You must practice. Next question. Which has been asked in CBSE examination 2016. When did Gandhi say when did Gandhi say the Battle of Champaran is won? The Battle of Champaran is won. When did Gandhi say the Battle of Champaran is won? Okay. So this question has been asked in various years examination. 2011. Sorry, let me rub it. 2011, 2014 and 2016. Okay, in CBSE examination. So when according to, but it has been asked in different form, like what was the result of Gandhi's conference with the influential people, when did Gandhi say the Battle of Champaran is won, as I have written on the board? Okay, the answer would be the same. The formation of the questions might be different, but answer would be the same. How was Gandhiji able to influence the lawyers? Okay, so initially, as we have seen in the text, initially they concluded if Gandhi was sent to jail, they would have none to help and advice for which they came. So initially they concluded if Gandhi was sent to jail, they would have none to help and advice for which they came. In that case, they would go back home. But Gandhi asked that would happen to the injustice done to the sharecroppers. Then they realized if a stranger Gandhi was ready to go to jail against the injustice to the peasants, they could not bear going away. So they told Gandhi they were all prepared to court arrest if he was sent to jail. Gandhi said the Battle of Champaran is won. So at this point, when farmers became fearless, okay, and they realized that a stranger Gandhi wanted to help them, so they decided not to go back. So at this point, when Gandhi found the peasants fearless, then he said the Battle of Champaran is won. Okay, so let me rub it. and write down the next question. Now, going to discuss a long answer type question from this chapter. Which is asked for 5 marks. Long answer. Long answer type questions which is asked for 5 marks. Okay. Question number 1. How did the Champaran episode, how did the, sorry, how did the Champaran episode prove to a turning point, prove to be a turning point, proved to be a turning point in Gandhiji's life. In Gandhi's life. Okay. Explain with the reference to the text. Explain with reference to the text. With reference to the text. Okay. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2014 and 2018. How did the Champaran episode prove to be a turning point in Gandhiji's life? Explain with the reference to the text indigo. Okay. So, in answering to this question, you are supposed to write almost 1/4 summary of the chapter and then give the conclusion. Okay. So, one Rajkumar Shukla, so you can write summary. Once Rajkumar Shukla from Champaran on the annual meeting of Indian National Congress apprised Gandhiji about the appalling condition of sharecroppers there. Gandhiji reached there and came to know that the large estates were owned by the Englishmen and the Indians worked as their tenants farmers, and they had to pay 15% for their land. After the investigations by Gandhi and the lawyers into the grievances of the farmers, it was decided by the Britishers that 25% of the money would be refunded. The farmers learned that they had their rights and they became courageous. Within a few years, the landlords relinquished their claims over the estates and the farmers became the owners. Gandhi saw their social, economic, and cultural backwardness of the area. He appointed volunteers to teach the villagers. Kasturba Gandhi taught the ashram rules and personal cleanliness and community sanitization. Ile got a doctor to volunteer his service for 6 months to improve the health condition of the people. They realized the value of self-reliance. The lawyers helped the peasants in their cases. Women gave Gandhi wholehearted support, and the countrymen embarked in the national freedom movement. So it became a turning point in the career of Gandhi ji. Okay, so it's all about the lesson 2, dear students, in which you are supposed to write summary, and at the end of the answer, whenever you write a long answer, whenever you answer a long answer type question, so you must give a conclusion at that. It is not for just long answer type questions. In short answer type questions too, conclusion is very important. Okay, so let me rub it and write down the next question which has been asked in CBSE examination in another year. Describe Gandhiji's important journey. Question number 2. Describe Gandhiji's important journey to the Champaran. Important journey to the Champaran district of Bihar. Okay, it has been asked in 2016. Describe Gandhiji's important journey to the Champaran district of Bihar. Okay, so in the same way you are supposed to write summary of the chapter in answering this question too. So you have to describe the whole incident as it took place in the lesson which we have gone through, and this answer will be almost same as the last answer to the last question which we have just discussed. So I am giving it to you as homework which you must practice after going through the chapter. Go through the chapter once then rewrite all answers to all the questions which we have discussed, including this one. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.